All right, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go ahead. Let's go over. Okay, hold on a second. What the hell is going on here? No, no he ha instalado el micrófono, nene. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It's like a Monday, right? So
Yes, feels like it.
yeah, have your coffee and all your stuff. Testing. Okay, done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and
I'm going into bully one, Cappy.
okay, good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we have this what did I say? 49, right? 49
Yes.
is the high of this wave, and 36 is the low. And as long as we are above 40, we remain with a bullish bias, expecting the price to go to 60. Repeat. As long as 40 holds nicely, we are still expecting continuation up. It's gonna be, it's not gonna be a Lamborghini trend, right? Because yes, the overall market direction is bullish, but it's so the odds are like minimal. However, we have to go with what we have, right? All right. So in other words, don't be surprised if we change hats in a drop of a hat. No pun intended, Mystique.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So we're gonna watch this 40 right here. Remember what I told you, right? 40 is what's going to is what's gonna decide the real direction. As long as the price above 40, all right, 40 is the beginning. Then the longer term, it's all the way to 60. Clean break of 40, and we see price hanging around below. Then where is it that I say it's 30, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to 30. All right, first. That's the first one. 30. Okay, and then liquidity starts, and then we'll take it from there. Okay. All right, so 40, right? What do you think 36 is and 34? Right? What do you think that's a squeeze, right? Anything below 38 all the way to 34 is a squeeze. So, right? So we all saw it together. Price takes 40. Of course, we have this double bottom right here, 38, right? Even the teenagers know about it. That's all they trade. And gaps, by the way. Anyway, so all right, so here we are, right? A clean break of this low right here. Price is it's on its way to 30 by way of 34. Clean break of this area right here. 39, 38. Clean break at the open, which is in what time it is right now, Mr. 9 what? 9:37. Thank you. 3 minutes, right? We're gonna watch it. Okay. Right. So clean break of 40. Right. Clean break of 40. Right. Remember 40, the forecast. As long as the price is below 40 and we see that is a clean break, of course the double top is going to stop it. Even the teenagers know that. All those teenager fake gurus on YouTube, they know a double top. Stopped it for a couple of minutes. Boom, break, and we all know where it's going. 34, right? Okay, to the low of the current snake wave that we're on. Okay? Remember, it's a squeeze. Breaking of this 38 all the way to 34. That's only 4 points. That's a squeeze for the bulls. Remember that the my forecast that the price is gonna go to 60, it hasn't changed. Alrighty, so smart money is squeezing the bulls. All right, so here we go. Boom, 34, beautiful. Alrighty then, it's going down. We knew that it was gonna go to 34, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We all know that 30 is a predetermined pivot support. You're supposed to go long here. We wanted 30. So what happened? Well, it's obvious. It's right there. The professional traders, those of us who know that break of 38 is a squeeze, and we know that 30 is a total support. It's a predetermined pivot support that I gave you 45 minutes ago, right? Jump the gun. They know it's not going to take 30, right? That's all there is to it. Boom. All righty. So right now, the main play is still short because the price broke 40. So the main play is short, but we know that it's not going to take our 30, right? 34. All righty then. All right. So if the overall market direction still, which still is, remains slightly bullish, then this counter trend long 30, 31, right here, this bounce right here, we are expecting to eventually take over the entire wave and become the main play. It is not the main play until it takes 40, which we know that as long as the price is below 40, then the main play remains sure. Okay? But because we have a crystal ball, come on, Capi, come on. What do you mean crystal ball? An amateur looking at this video right now is saying, this guy is an idiot. Crystal ball. Did you hear what he said? He has a crystal ball. Right? That's what an amateur is thinking right now. They trade only what they see. They have no clue that the edge needs to be a crystal ball. You need to know what the hell the price is going to do in the future. They don't know that. So they're laughing at me right now. Do you hear what this guy says? Right? All right. Mistake. Is that 40 to the tick?
To the tick.
So when the price broke 40, which we know for half an hour, 45 minutes already, right? It's a key level. The one that's going to decide is the one that is going to divide the direction, the day to day. Price goes to 40, right? 40 was support. It broke it. It became what? Resistance, didn't it?
Yeah.
Look at it. Boom. 40, right? Aggressive trader. They're shorting 40, and we are locking those of you that went long the beautiful bounce, right?
Yeah.
Which is what you're supposed to do. We're locking a couple of bucks here, right here, right? From 31, 32, 33, all the way to 40, right? We're locking 5, 6, 7 point, 41. We know the importance of 40, right? And remember, okay? Remember the most important thing. Boom. The 60 that we have. How long ago, Mystique?
Oh my God.
All right.
Half hour.
Yeah, that's right. So we have longer term and short term. And we have short term and the break of 40, right? We know it's going to go to the low. We know smart money is going to squeeze the weak bulls. We know where support completely is. We wait for it. We take a shot long. Those of us who want to go to 60, I don't know when it's going to get there. That's one thing that my crystal ball doesn't tell me, but that's where I'm expecting the price to go eventually. All right? Main play, break of 40, and now look at the 40 is a key level, right? So what is the smart money going to do between 38 and 44? It's going to drive us crazy, right? 38, 44, right? Okay, 38, 44, 38. Oh my God. Because we are locking right here 5, 6, 7 points. and and the traders that think that the downtrend is gonna continue, they're adding right here, right? They're adding to a winner. It's short is the total winner that they're adding, or they are establishing a new position. Uh, oh, you have a gold digger?
Yeah, I called it.
Oh, alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. So, oh, okay. So, well, if you have a gold digger, you have a gold digger where at the bounce.
Correct.
Oh, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, the um the the snake wave, right, is turning bullish. You heard me, Stick. She has one of Prosatico's uh, setup signals bullish right here. So that tells us that there is a lot more strength to the upside. So we're not gonna be quick to the trigger shorting 49. Remember that we have 49.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't have it here. Remember that we have 49, right? 49 is the high, right? 49 is the high of the wave. So we're not gonna be quick at the trigger. All right. Why? We're not gonna be quick at the trigger shorting 49 because you just heard me stick. She has a strong setup signal long. So that means that 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 uh, and I have this 60, right? So that means this baby, it's on its way to 60. It's gonna take 49. It's not gonna be easy taking it though, right? We all know that. But right?
Right.
So look at 40. Price takes 40, comes right back down, right? Look at this. Right? It was support, broken, became resistance, broke it, stay there for a while. 40. My forecast remains as long as the price is above 40, we are confident that the price is going to go to 60. That's 20 points from 40. So we take advantage of the break, the squeeze. We go long right here. We take advantage of the price that the smart money. See, smart money, they know they're gonna take it to 49 and 60, but they're not gonna take it from here, right? They need to take the stops, all the stops of the teenagers on YouTube, right? On their demo account. We know that they don't trade for real. You know what I mean, right? So they need to take the stops of all the retail traders, take it, destroy them completely, and bam, bounce off of 30, 30, 32, and they're on the way over there. They leave footprint. They cannot hide it. That's our crystal ball, is that we know exactly what smart money is doing at all times. Here we are, about 40. So you, right, are expecting a continuation up to 44. It's going to stop it a little bit. 44, 45, 46, 44, 43, 44. This shenanigans right here, 38, 44, right? 40, 40, 40, about 40, a little bit above, a little bit below. But you know that the longer the price remains above 40, and with that uh, bullish signal that Stick gave us, the high is weaker than the low, and longer term is 49 and 60. Right, eventually, right. So price is taking 40, right? Taking 40, cannot go 40, cannot just destroy 44 right away, right? This is gonna be, I told you 5 minutes ago, 38, 44, 44, 38, 38, 44. Look at that, back to 40. It's confusing everybody, right?
Right.
All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if the long-term forecast is changing. Look at this volatility. Remember what I told you? It's the first day after a 3-day holiday. There's a lot of orders waiting right there, and that's what's actually really bringing this volatility. Okay, So we need to know. See, look at that. Look at the way for the price to be below 40 clear. Look at the way it has to take it, right?
Yep.
Okay.
We have a bearish island.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we are going to have look at that 40. Look at 34, ladies and gentlemen. Remember our 34. You're supposed to have a support line right there. 34. Okay. 34 clean break of 34, right? For the bulls, right? For us, it's it's our trail. We don't want to be uh, holding a bullish position on a break of 34, right? We have to put up with this action right here. 34, 44. These 10 points. Look at the volatility, right? Okay. And we are on a new rotation, so I'm going to have a new reading pretty soon. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to change, but it is changing, I'm telling you. So our 60, it's getting farther away, all right? So we're going to concentrate on 49 now. 49, 30. That's where we're going to concentrate now, all right? Price is not going to 60 anytime soon. All right. Right now there is a new rotation, and there is a new force in play, and that force, my friends, is bearish. But we know we have our 34 right here. We're counting on 34 holding, and as long as the price doesn't take 34, we still want to be bullish. All right.
Yeah, I have another gold digger bull.
All right.
I'm a bully too.
Okay, there you go. Okay, what's the price right now? The price right now is 38, and you just heard me stick, right? She has another bullish setup, and let's see how strong it is, right? Right here, this 38. Okay, so we have a 38, 34 again, 38, 34. This is an area of support. Let me say it again. The overall market direction, remember, it was slightly like 1 degree above bullish.
Yes.
It's no longer. That's it. It's gone. This rotation gave us a new reading, and the reading is that the overall market direction now is sideways. Overall, the big picture is totally sideways. Okay, so what does that say? That says that our 60, that's not going to happen anytime soon. It's going to be a while before it happens, and we are on the lookout to see if, as long as the price is above 40, test of the high, 44, 45, and 49. That's it. Okay, of course, we have to see how it gets there, if it gets there. All right, to make a decision as to whether it's going to destroy 49 and continue to 60. Right, and then on the way down, look at breaking 40 again. I told you this is a key level. Yeah. All right, so and we have to see. I'm looking everywhere to see what's below 30, pretty much. Okay. Let me see. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So the 15. Alrighty. Okay, so 15 right here. 15, 44, 15. All right. If the bears take complete control and they destroy and break all the resistance level, then they'll take it from 30 all the way to 15. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we have to put up with this chop here, 40, not that we didn't know. Righty? Alrighty then. 15. Okay. So we have 30, right? And 15. 15 points more to the downside. That's target 2. All right, target 1 is 30 and target 2 is 15. So simple, right? You do not want to be long as long as the price is below 40, and you don't want to be short as long as the price is above 40. That's the importance of 40, okay? No, but I wanna, I wanna play the channel, right? It's okay. 34 is support. 30, it's support too. So any, any, any place that you take a long shot below 40, you are, you are, you are trading against the current trend, which is bearish. All right. All right. So it's gonna go to 34. We know 34 is support, right? 1, 2, 3, 3 times. But we also know that longer term, the strongest force, as long as the price is below 40, is bearish. So we are expecting the price to take. If you want to be on a play with the main play, you want to be short here 40, expecting the price to test 34. You take 6 points. It's support, right? The odds are minimal that it's gonna take it and go to 30. So you want to remain short. You are comfortable expecting the price to make a double bottom, right? We are expecting a bounce off of 30, right? And the reason is because right, those of us who are long and playing both sides, right? On a day like today, on a snake price action, that's exactly what we're supposed to do. Remember what I told you. We're not going to hesitate in getting in support and resistance. Right? But we know what the strongest force is. Right now, it's bearish. So going long 34, you can take a shot long 34, but you know that you are going against the main shortest strength, right? Why? Well, because price is not FOMO, right? Fear of missing out, right? It might not get to 30, right? Which is, of course, a better entry than 34. We all know that, all right? But that would be a counter because the main play is short. If it breaks 40 again to the upside, well, then the main play is long, and we all know the resistances. The odds are that it is support the levels that are going to be broken. So we are now confidently expecting a break of this 34, right? Eventually. And a test of 30, break of 30, and a continuation to 15. Alrighty then. Alright, remember what I told you. Okay? We all know 30, right? It's support. All the teenagers are going long here, alright? In their demo account. Okay, no problem. We know that we are on a snake wave, right? Okay, so the new low, it's been 30 for a while. This is normal, okay? All right, then. This bounce off of 29 is normal, okay? This is the short term. Longer term, we are still expecting in due time the price to take 40, go to 15, all right? Longer term. Short term, we all know, and that's why I told you we're not gonna hesitate on going long our lows and going short our resistances. Okay. right? And what's going on right now is that those of us who went short the break of 40, 38, we know that the price is gonna take 34. This is a double bottom right here, and we're locking right here 30. 30 is target one, isn't it? Here it is.
Yes.
Target one is 30 for us. From 40 to 30, that's 10 points. That's a 10-point right.
Shabby.
That's not too shabby. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, and this is how a professional trader trades. We are long, we are short, we're long, we're short, change hands, get the hell out of the long, go short, get the hell out of the short, go long. Sometimes we are long and short at the same time, no problem with it. At the same time, not at the same level, at the same time. Okay, so it's totally different, all right? We have for our short position that we're going to hold. We're gonna stay with our short position as long as the price is not comfortable and clean cut 40. We're gonna remain short, expecting a continuation all the way to target 2 right here, 15 that I gave you 20 minutes ago, right?
Yes.
We already hit target 1. Here it is, 30. Right? And then for those of you who are all in, all out, terrific. You just made 10 points on this last trade. You're pretty happy. And you want to make sure that you establish a new position short. If you want to take advantage of the ride of that move all the way to 15, you better take another shot short. All right? If you want to ride this 15. Okay. Okay, 40 just got stronger. 40 just got a little stronger than it was before. So we have now we have more bigger odds that it's gonna take some time, but now we have bigger odds that yes, 30 is gonna be taken, and we're going to 15. That's 15 more points. Target 2. All right. So in other words, we're short, right? And we want to go to 15. And what we want to see is the footprints that the smart money leave behind. Okay, minute to minute, second to second, tick by tick, so that we can continually make an assessment as to the odds and the probability that we're gonna get what we think we're gonna get. Because remember, we trade what we see, of course, and we also trade what we think. I think the price is going to 15, right? Projection. This is my projection. Projection. What do you think a projection is, Mystic?
What's gonna happen in the future?
It's a prediction. You got it right.
Yeah.
Projection is a prediction. What does this mean to you? Don't expect a break of an important support or an important resistance. Don't expect a break of it on the first leg, on the first impulse, on the first intention. That's not gonna happen. If we want to look ahead in the future, then we have a small odds that yes, it is 30 the one that is going to be taken, and it'll go to 50. But that's the future. The same thing that we were before, remember? We were expecting, we had a small little 1 degree of odds saying that the price was going to go to 49 and 60, right?
Yes.
Then market opens, smart money are playing with everybody. We can read what they're doing. We change hats, need be, and we change hats right here when the price broke 40. We know the importance of 40 and all of this. And then we believe that the main play right now is short, is 40. It's not going to be taken. Of course, 30 is not going to be destroyed easily. Look at it. But eventually it will, right? unless we have to change hats back to bull because the smart money decided to, okay, so we already took the stops of all the amateurs. Let's go ahead and let's go back bull. We're going to be able to see it. When they do that, we will see it. We're going to be able to spot their footprint. They have to leave footprints. If they decide to do that, then we are going to do it too. We're going to change that, and then we're going to start looking to buy support, expecting the price to go up. Until I tell you that, we remain bearish, expecting the price to do exactly what we said here it was going to do. All right, so price goes to our 34. Look at it, Mystic. And support because resistance. What do you think is going to happen here at 34? Exactly what you just saw. You guys are adding to a winner 34. See, amateurs, bears, when the smart money takes it to 34, they get out. That's their stop. For us, it's an add to a winner because we are expecting the price to eventually take this low and go to 15. And we know that 34 is the first resistance, right? So we go short 34. Retail traders are taken out. Smart money is laughing right now with short 34. This is what? 28 mistake? That's 6 points. And we all know what the odds say the price is going to do next. Do we not, mistake?
We sure do.
All righty then. So, ladies and gentlemen, those traders with discipline and get in and got out, getting finally the market reveal itself on this U-turn 40. We know exactly what's going to happen. All we got to do is just manage.
Sean's
At 950,
yep, and it's 10:16.
that's when I call 15. 950, right? So right here. Okay, oh, that's beautiful. From 40 to 15. That's pretty nice. That's a nice ride. That's a nice 25-point ride.
That is awesome.
Okay. And so we are short 40, right? When I call it at 950. And we know what to expect. Target 1, target 2. Right? Okay. Hold on a second. What's going on here? All right. All right, so this 2375, it's a temporary support. Okay, I've seen it before. So now that we know that here 24, right? We're gonna call it 24. It's temporary support, right? Then we're gonna treat it like 30. All right. It's okay to have a short, but I'm expecting the price to take it and continue to 15. Okay, that's the longer term. First leg, look at it. From 40 to 30. 10 points. First leg of our downtrend that we call long time ago. Price bounce, it goes to our, this is such a classic technical analysis. It goes to our 34. We add to a winner because we want to go to 15, right? And then we are on the second leg right now, okay? And we're gonna watch. We love the fact that the price is taking 24 like this, right? Because we know that resistance is beginning. Resistance. We know that support is beginning to show up. It's just beginning to show up. But we know that the trip is all the way to 15. Okay? But it's not going to be on a straight line. Right, Mystic?
That right?
All right. The price goes on a straight line to anywhere when on a good ride?
Usually not.
Usually not. Okay. All right. So we won. Okay. So we cherish this break of 24. Remember, I told you this 24 is the beginning of support. And when the price takes one of our supports like this, that makes that support equally strong, but to the opposite side. Okay. All right. So now we're counting on 24 to not be taken. Therefore, a continuation to the 15 that we call an hour ago from here from 40. And that's target 2, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So Goldman just called me and they said, yeah, I'm going to 15 by way of 18. All right. So 18 right here. This is a destination. Okay. This is a destination. All right. Goldman just called and he said, hey, listen, sure, yeah, I'm going to 15, but I'm gonna stop here at 17, 18 temporarily, right? And we know this is true because we began seeing support at 24. Okay, but we're gonna let it ride to 15. Okay, boom, it's that 15 mistake.
That's right.
I believe it is.
14
14
half.
half?
Yep.
Okay, so we got a couple of
14
ticks
corner.
bonus.
Yep.
Alrighty then, terrific. We love it. Again, that the price is
Target
taking.
toolkit.
Exactly. So, what do we do here, Mystic? Counter trend long.
Trend long.
Alrighty then. Oh my God, counter trend long. That's crazy, man. Right?
Right.
That's crazy. What do you mean counter trend long? Counter trend the micros. What's the matter with you? Are you kidding me? We began looking. We saw support here at 24 and here at what was it 18, right?
Yeah.
We saw it. It's 18 also. Of course, there's gonna be a bounce off of our 15. So we lock in 25 points on our short 40 on the main play, and we are long right now, counter trend, and we are expecting some shenanigans right here all the way to 24. Alrighty? Okay. This is a beautiful break, and I need to see now where is target 3, but that's not gonna happen anytime soon. So we're gonna, in the meantime, we're gonna take advantage of this counter trend long that we are on right now, expecting some lipping right here, 14, 24, 24, 14, 14, 24, 24, 14, 24, 14, and who knows? This bounce right here could easily, I don't know that yet, could easily be the beginning of a new what, Mystic?
Trend.
A beginning of a new trend, a beginning of a new beautiful relationship, right?
Right.
Alrighty then. That's why we don't, and remember what I told you an hour ago. We are going to buy every support that we have, we're going to get in, and we're going to say, because the market is not going to clean tape destroy any of our major supports and resistance. Therefore, it's all recorded, right, Mystic?
Yes.
It's all
that's
recorded.
correct.
Therefore, we're not going to hesitate in taking a counter trend. All right. Boom. Price goes to 14. Those of you who take the 15, beautiful. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 4 points in 4 seconds, right?
Right.
And the bulls, they're gonna fight this. Oh my God, really? Of course they are. All right. So we have target 1, we have target 2, and I'm looking for target 3 to the downside. All righty.
Okay.
All right. So eventually, so this is leg 1, leg 2. We are on our way to leg 3. That's why we get out 3 times, because usually when the market trends, it does it in 3 stages, and that's why we get out 3 times all the time, expecting a trend, right? Okay, so I'm looking for target 3, but I'm gonna tell you, target 2. I just saw it. Okay, so target 2, my friends, it's yeah. Thank you, Mystique. It's a range 15, 10. Alrighty. Okay, so it's a 5-point range. Okay. Here we go. All right. So, oh my God, Cappy, but I already got out, man. I already got out 15, man. Well, I just saw it. What can I say? I just saw it. It's a range. It's a range 10, 15. Target 2. Okay, so play with it. So target 3 is really far behind. However, listen to me. We're gonna continue with our plan of buying our supports. Alrighty? So in other words, 10, I don't see 10 taken easily. Alrighty? Alright? And if it does, everybody, even the teenagers on YouTube know, even the teenagers on YouTube know that 44 is right there, right? Okay, so we're gonna make this psychological level right here, 4,400. We're gonna make it a. Listen to this. We're gonna make it a temporary target 3. Temporary. What does that mean? That means that for now it's target 3, but be on the lookout because I might change it anytime I'll change it. Okay. However, we all know that if the price goes there, which as long as we are stop break even and trailing, we're just patiently waiting for the price to go there. Whether it goes there or not, we already up 25 points from our short 40, right? 40 to 10, that's 30 points, right? Okay. Now listen to this, and this is gonna be um, uh, ultra advanced day trading. Alrighty. I am expecting a a significant bounce. There will be a bounce. So this downtrend, yeah, it's beautiful. It's giving us 30 points already, and we won 10 more, right? All the way to 40. We won 10 more points to 40. That's beautiful. But I just want you to know that be on the lookout because there will be a bounce. In other words, there is a phantom trend that nobody knows about. Only we here know about it. We and Goldman Sachs. We're the only one that knows that there will be a bounce. A lot of retail traders, prices going down, and they have a blindfolded blinders, and they're just going short. They have no idea that there will be a significant bounce. They have no idea. So, what does that do to us? Well, remember our plan is to buy our supports. Buy them, no hesitation. How many times I've said that today, Mistake? A million times, right? All right, so we're counting. We don't know if this is the one, this 10 right here, but those of us who are long this counter trend 10, 11, because it's a prosadical support, right? What's the mid range? 12, right? Yeah. Those of us who are 12 here, we are on the lookout that this is that phantom uptrend that I've been talking about for what? For 4 or 5 minutes already? Yes. All righty then. All right, ladies and gentlemen. 17, 18, come on, give me 19. Remember, this is a counter that we took advantage because we knew there was a phantom uptrend coming, and we're taking advantage of it as it's happening on this counter trend long. We're still short expecting the price to eventually take 10 and continue to 4,400, right? That's the main play. Don't mess with it. Don't touch it. Alrighty? We're just taking advantage of the ebb and flow of the price action so that we take advantage of every single move that we see. We're here, right? We came to trade.
That's right.
Might as well take advantage of every single move that we see. All right. So, okay. So, not bad, right? No mistake about it. All right. This is our counter trend long, right? That we took from 10 all the way to 20, right? That's 10 points on a counter trend. How do you like them bananas? It's a counter trend, right? Make no mistake. The main play remains bearish until I tell you it's not anymore. Okay? All right. So the odds are not as big as they were before. So I'm not expecting a fast drop all the way to 400 anytime soon. But that's what's in storage. Alrighty. All right. So what's a strong resistance? This one right here. 30. Target 1 is the strongest resistance right now for those bears that are counting on the price to recoil, resistance, test the lows, break them, and continue to 400. Okay? This one right here. Our target 1 is now a strong resistance. Okay? Bears, we do not want the price to break 30 if we want to ride the next leg to 400. The bullish phantom trend has not been invalidated. Price needs to destroy the bottom of our target 2 to invalidate our bullish phantom trend. All right? Okay, so, all right, remain there.
Voy a hacer almuercito. Can you wrap up early? Pues uno me lee.
¿A qué hora?
¿De qué es? Como a las 11:30.
I don't know.
Ok, don't worry, no te presiones. Yo lo hago.
Exactamente.
Te la
Si
dejo
no te,
tapada.
exacto. Tú te comes tu
Y una
cosita.
ensalada de
Tú,
maíz
tú.
para ti.
Hazlo tú para ti. Okay. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Right. Looking good, right? The counter trend long. We know that the first resistance is 30. Of course, by way of 24. I mean, everybody knows that, right? Okay. Let's think how many teenagers on YouTube, all those fake gurus on, not only the teenagers, all of them. How many do you think they knew that we were going to U-turn and have a phantom uptrend? How many do you think they knew about this? All right, correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 24 half, this new high right here? 24 half? Remember our 24? Right? These are all little resistances that we already knew about. Right? We already knew about this one. We already knew about this one. And we have our major resistance for the counter trend 30. Right? Which was our target 1, target 2. Main play remains bearish to 400. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what time is it? 11:15 already. So it's just a matter of patience. And those of you who don't have to go play golf, let it ride.